Vanilla Seduction is a gentle girl. If you're familiar with Vanilla Aura by Maison Asrar, today I have the sister, which is called the Vanilla Seduction, also by Maison Asrar. This perfume is said to be a dupe of the Vanilla 28 by Kiali. With the reviews I have watched, Vanilla 28 is one of the most loved vanilla perfume out there. That is what I have read, that is what I've heard people say. So I have always wanted to buy Vanilla 28. When I heard that this is a dupe, I'm like, okay, you know what, I better just buy this one to, try out the DNA to see if it's something I will enjoy when I buy the Vanilla 28. So today I'm unboxing Vanilla Seduction by Maison Asrar. If you're new here, my name is Gloria. On this channel I create fragrance related content. If this is the type of content you enjoy, kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's be friends. Now, when it comes to the drama that Vanilla Aura gave us on the internet, Vanilla Seduction did not do that. Vanilla Seduction is a gentle girl. She's a gentle girl. She does not give wala. She does not give any problem. She's just there. If you want to buy me, buy me. I don't give wala. So let's open it and see what it will give. I hope it's a beautiful vanilla scent. Right? Let's just hope, sha. I think the packaging is like the Vanilla Aura packaging as well. The difference is just the color. Now this is the bottle of the Vanilla Seduction. Let's see what it smells like. Too much alcohol. There's too much alcohol though. It smells like a woody vanilla scent. It smells very woody. It smells very woody. Let me spray it on my skin. Let me see what it will give on my skin, because I don't understand what it's giving on strip. But the alcohol is too much. This just smells like a woody vanilla scent. That's all I can say. This vanilla scent does not smell sweet. It does not smell sugary sweet like you would expect a vanilla scent to smell. I always will use Vanilla Voyage as an example, or the Angam as an example whenever I'm talking about vanilla scents, because those are like the typical vanilla perfumes for me, right? But this one, you spray it at first, all you get is the burst of alcohol. You have to be patient with this one before you begin to get the smell of vanilla. This one smells like a straight up woody scent with some florals, with some florals, earthiness, with some muskiness. If I want to compare this to the Vanilla Aura, I would say the difference between this Vanilla Seduction and Vanilla Aura is just the fact that the Vanilla Aura has a lot more citruses in it, while for this one there is no citrus in this. There is more of floral notes. This one like comes off more woody than the Vanilla Aura. At the dry down, it's giving some weird base. The base is giving weird. At the base I'm getting some sort of soapiness. The vanilla is there, is there, but it's not. This is not a sweet vanilla. Let's check out the notes of this perfume. If you ask me, this Vanilla Seduction is not seducing anything. No. Now, Vanilla Seduction has the top note of plum, jasmine, and lily of the valley. At the middle, it has vanilla, brown sugar, and caramel, while at the base, it has tonka, amber, patchouli, and musk. That patchouli kind of gives it like a very woody undertone, right? This one like comes off more woody than the vanilla aura. But if you ask me, they don't smell they don't smell similar. This vanilla aura and the vanilla seduction, they don't smell very similar. But at the same time, they kind of smell like the same perfume in a weird way. I don't know. When you spray them side by side, they don't smell like the same perfume. They don't smell like they are duping the same perfume. But smelling them, they smell like the same perfume in a different way. I don't know how to explain it. They just smell the same in a different way. If you ask me to pick one out of vanilla aura or vanilla seduction, I think I'll pick vanilla aura. I'll pick the vanilla aura, you know, instead of this one. And maybe because of the citruses that the vanilla aura has, that one just, has more pleasantness to it. This one it smells, it smells funny. It smells funny. I don't know. I have to give this one a little bit of time to see where it takes me. But for now, it just smells funny. I don't want to believe this is what Vanilla 28 smells like. But I'm somehow with this one. Maybe it will get better. Maybe I'll come back to it. But for right now, it's not giving. For right now, it's not giving. It's not giving. That's my thoughts on Vanilla Seduction by Missing Azra. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.